delta is one-dimensional consolidation derivation. It is also called as coefficient of consolidation derivation. So Terzaghi is the father of style mechanics. So Terzaghi has taken the reference of conservation of mass or conservation of water law for the derivation. So what does it say? Conservation of water. The water that is flowing through the soil sample is equal to the water that is stored in the soil sample, or water that is entering into the soil sample is equal to the water that is flowing out from the soil sample. So that can be expressed like this, right? So dou V x by dou x plus dou V y by dou y plus dou V z by dou z. So this is like the velocity term, right? And it is flowing through the soil sample, which is having the volume to be dx, dy, dz, right? And it is equal to the water that is flowing out from the soil sample, right? So water is flowing in three directions, right? X, y, z. So we said the derivation is limited to the one-dimensional, right? So it can be simplified like this, dou v z by dou z. So we are deriving the expression only for one-dimensional consolidation. So one dimension, that is state, okay, depth of soil sample, right, into dx, dy, dz. So in the assumptions of Terzaghi consolidation theory, it was said Darcy's law is valid, right? Darcy's law is valid. So Darcy's law, P is equal to K into I, right? So I is equal to hydraulic gradient, which is equal to dou H by dou Z, right? Apply the partial differentiation. Dou V by dou Z is equal to K into dou square H by dou Z square, right? And we know pore water pressure, U is equal to H into gamma W. What is H now from this? H is equal to U by gamma W. Substitute this in the above equation. So dou V by dou Z is equal to K into dou square H by dou Z square. Is it? So this is like a velocity gradient, right? In the z direction, so I can write it as dou Vz. Substitute this in the first equation. Consider the equation to be 1, right? So dou Vz by dou Z is equal to K into dou square H by dou Z square, right? K into dou square H by dou Z square into volume term dx into dy dz, which is equal to dou W by dou T. H need to be replaced, right? So dou square K into dou square U by dou Z square dx dy dz is equal to dou W by dou T. K by gamma W. H is replaced with the U by gamma W. Right? Consider away now, as of now, right? We know void ratio is equal to volume of voids to the volume of solids, right? Add 1 on both sides. Right? So 1 plus E is a initial void ratio, so it can be written as E naught plus 1. This is equal to, take the LCM, Vb plus Vs by Vs, which is equal to volume by volume of solids. Write the expression for Vs now from this. Vs is equal to V by 1 plus E naught. The differentiation for this equation, dou E naught is equal to dou V by dou V. Dou E naught is equal to dou V by dou of Vs is equal to what? V by 1 plus E naught. So students, now dou V by dou T, it can be considered as dou W by dou T, right? So why it is like that, students? The value of the voids is equal to the quantity of water that is present, isn't it? So water can be present only in the voids, right? So it can be written like this, right? So the equation will turn out to be dou W by dou T is equal to dou E naught into V by 1 plus E naught by dou T, right? So it can be dou of, right? So it can be written like this, dou W by dou T is equal to dou of dx into volume is replaced dy into dz by 1 plus E naught, right, into dou E naught by dou T. So students, if you observe the equation 2 and 3, okay, now equate 2 and 3, right, K by gamma W is equal to into K by gamma W into dou square U by dou Z square into dx dy dz, which is equal to dou of dx dy dz by 1 plus E naught into dou E naught by dou T. So cancel the terms. So the left out term is K by gamma W into dou square U by dou Z square, right, which is equal to dou E by dou T into 1 by 1 plus E naught, right? Yes, students, continuation of the equation, right? Consider this equation to be 4, right? Students, we know coefficient of compressibility AB is equal to dou E by dou sigma dash. From this, we can write dou E is equal to AB into dou sigma dash. Right? And students, here dou sigma dash is equal to dou U. We are taking because here it is monotonic loading, or we can say constant total stress we are giving. So effective dou E naught in equation 4. So the equation 4 will become now K into dou square U by dou Z square, right, by gamma W is equal to dou AB into dou U by dou E naught is equal to AB into dou U by dou T into 1 by 1 plus E naught. So right, students, now rewrite the equation for dou U by dou T, which is equal to dou U by dou T is equal to K by AB by 1 plus E naught by gamma W into dou square U by dou Z square. Now this can be written like this: dou U by dou T is equal to K by CV. Dou U by dou T is equal to K by MV, where MV is equal to AB by 1 plus E naught gamma W into dou square by dou Z square, and dou U by dou T is equal to CV dou square U by dou Z square. So this is coefficient of consolidation equation or Tetragis one-dimensional equation. What is that it is saying? The change in the pore water pressure with respect to the time is equal to coefficient of consolidation into change in the rate of change in the pore water pressure in the z direction. Right? So pore water pressure is changing in the time of CV, right? With the multiplication of CV. So this is